want to share with y'all a recipe that just, touches my heart when I think about it. Do you know the last time I had this punch? I was 18 years old. I had just said my vows with Jamie and Bobby's father, Jimmy Deen, back in 1965. And my daddy wasn't well, so we just had a reception there at the house, and Mama fixed some wonderful foods. And I said, Mama, the only thing that I want to drink is that yummy lime sherbet punch. So that's what she made me, and I loved it back then, and I know I'm gonna love it just as much today. Now, you can use several different kinds of sherbet. My favorite was the lime, but you can also use an orange sherbet or a pineapple sherbet. And I'm gonna start with 2 quarts of lime sherbet, and I'm just gonna put it down in my punch bowl. I say we might just eat the sherbet and forget the punch. All right. All right, now all I have to do at this point is pour over 2 liters of ginger ale, and I'm just gonna pour it right on top of that sherbet. Yum. All right, now I'm gonna add 1 46-ounce can of pineapple juice. And now I'm gonna just float some lemons and limes in it. Okay, this looks so good. Brings back so many memories. All right. I'm just adding a few maraschino cherries. I was gonna just pour this up in a punch cup, but I deserve a sherbet punch. Oh. I love it. I loved it then and I love it now. Well, Lady Bird, it's finally happy hour time. The punch from my wedding when I was 18 years old. I hope that the recipes that we made today for you will make your happy hour as happy as our happy hour's been. We send y'all best dishes and love. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.